So it's 2026 and you might just be looking for a more affordable house, not within an HOA, new construction, still has space to grow, and yet you don't have to worry about an expensive monthly mortgage. Well, right behind me is actually a new construction house here in Northport that we're going to be walking you guys through. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,500 square foot house for only $334,000. And what I like about this house is that it doesn't look like a lot of other houses that you'll see here in Northport. You have no carpet, all LVP throughout the house, and it has some very nice design choices that I think you guys will like. And like I said, you can't beat the price for this 1,500 square foot house, because if you guys look on them around in the market, you guys can see that every house looks pretty cookie cutter, and you'll actually see the finishes that are inside this house that make it stand out, make it a little unique. Plus, it's not within a flood zone, so you guys don't have to worry about flood insurance. You're only 30 minutes from Sarasota. You're, only 5 minutes away from I-75, quick access, and plus you're not in an HOA, so you really can't beat that. So before we jump in, throw my camera around to show you guys what this house looks like. If you guys are looking to buy a house and you guys want an expert team that is well versed in the new construction world, if you guys don't know, I do own a custom home building company, Jane Development Group, where we build luxury custom houses too, and my development company and my real estate team take care of all of these other houses, these new construction houses, and I will work one-on-one with you guys to help pick out some floor plans, to help pick out some houses here in Northport, Sarasota that may make more sense for you guys. And as a thank you for watching all of our videos, I will throw links down at the bottom of this video for all of our buyers relocation guides. If you guys don't know what the areas like Sarasota, Northport, Osprey, Venice all look like, you guys can go and download those links 100% free as a thank you for watching these videos. But with all that being said, let's turn this camera around and let's go show you what this new construction house looks like here in Northport, Florida. All right, so now that we are at the exterior of the house, what you will notice is that this house has more of an industrial look here. Kind of looks like concrete with the cut joints here in the stucco instead of just your basic knockdown. And right when we walk into the house here, you are going to be greeted with the open living room. What I think you'll love is the coffered ceilings that you'll find throughout this entire property. We have 9'4" ceilings throughout the entire property, along with LVP flooring, so there's no carpet whatsoever in this property, which is actually really nice because a lot of people just simply do not like carpet in their houses. And then right over here on the right side of the house, we are going to have the 2 guest bedrooms and the guest bathroom. What I like about this guest bathroom here is that they use more of the larger format tiles for the shower, so it gives it more of a luxurious feel. Both guest bedrooms here are the same size, about 10 by 11, somewhere in that ballpark. Both have reach-in closets, and then through this hallway we now are going to walk back past the living room and into the kitchen area. So this kitchen area is open to both the dining space and the living space. You'll know exactly what I mean when I tell you about the dining space here later. But what I like about the kitchen is here you have the quartz countertops, white shaker cabinets, and the backsplash that actually extends up past where most backsplashes will actually end. Right here we have the laundry room and then access to the garage. This side of the house is going to be for the primary suite. Tall ceilings once again here with coffered ceilings, and then we have a dual sink vanity, white shaker cabinets, and over here is going to be the walk-in shower, once again with the large format tile to give it more of that luxurious feel. And then you have the black trim, which I think just pops against this white trim piece. And then now we will walk back out into the kitchen area, and in this kitchen area, this is where you guys are going to see this large dining area. What I mean is this is perfect for dining, don't get me wrong, but you definitely need an extra living space built into here because it's just an overwhelmingly large dining space. Then back here we have the sliders that lead into the backyard, which is great for a pool. You can see that the neighbor already has their fenced in backyard, which is absolutely perfect. You have a lot of space to put in your own fence, have your dogs run around, a pool, and so forth, and just a great area overall for entertaining, and you just simply can't lose with this backyard. So now that sums up this little house tour. Now I want to get your guys' honest feedback on this house. What did you guys think? Do you guys think what the finishes that they put in is worth it for a $334,000 house. It does stand out a little bit compared to other new construction houses in that $330,000 price range, which is kind of why I like it. The finishes are just a little bit different. Now, obviously, it doesn't add a significant amount of money, but it is something that makes these houses stand out compared to every other $330,000 house that is on the market in Northport. And ultimately, I want your guys' feedback, because this is what our channel does, is walk you guys through new construction houses. We teach you about the new construction market. I own the custom home building company as well, so we walk you guys through our custom builds, showcasing what it's like to actually build here in Southwest Florida. And if you guys are interested in buying this house or buying another house here in the greater Sarasota area, we can connect you with one of our team members or me personally, where we will walk you guys through the new construction process, find you a new construction house that checks off all of your boxes, and then walk you guys through that process all the way from point A all the way to the closing table. And as a thank you guys for watching all of our videos, like I said, we have our dedicated buyers relocation guides, 100% free for you guys. And what we are releasing here is a brand new system for anyone that's looking to build a new construction house, or maybe have been thinking about building a new construction house, or maybe you guys are buying, you guys already are under contract on a new construction house, but you guys want a verification system that helps walk you guys through what the new construction process looks like. My general contractor partner and I have actually created basically a full-scale system of the home building process. So be sure to go check that link down in the description down below. It basically is a system that walks you through the entire house build, what you need to look for so that you guys don't end up with a crappy new construction build here in Southwest Florida. But with all that being said, guys, we appreciate you checking out this video as always, and we'll catch you guys next week.